Alright. Market opens in 1 minute or 40 seconds. Yeah, so updates on the accounts. Got hit pretty hard last week. Sucks. I bought another funded, which is an eval, so I have that now too. Two accounts right now going. One express, one eval. So, gonna get that going. Hold on. One thing I will say right now is first off, ignore the hair. Tried to do it up today, but it's still wet, so it's not looking great. But yeah, I look fucking retarded right now. Anyways, that's not the point. Let's just have a good week. Let's see. I've been recording my sessions for the past 2 weeks that I just haven't uploaded because I've just been too lazy. But then I realized I kind of want this shit more than I don't. So that laziness needs to just get the fuck out of the way. And with that, we need to be more, focused on our entries and our setups. So, in some of the trades I took last week, I was opening right off market open because a single, say London highs would get swept and then, there'd be an inverse fair value gap, but there wouldn't be a break of structure, there wouldn't be any, momentum showing to the other side. So, kind of need to slow it down on my entries and wait for a little bit more confirmation before we, start putting some risk on the market. With that though, yesterday was President's Day, so no trades. Today's Tuesday, February 17th. Yeah. Let's have a good week. That's all you can really hope for, right? London highs got taken out on ES. So we have a doji, or not a doji, a SMT divergence. My bad. Yes, right here, for example, we have this inverse fair value gap. Hopefully we close positive on this candle right here, come down, break structure, and close below this. That would be an entry for me. So we'll see what happens. I started fucking with the hair last weekend, and it was looking good, but I put product in it when it was still wet, so it's not curling, which sucks, but it'll look better after I'm done treating, because I'm gonna go fix it. Pretty clear. think the main goal for me right now is to um, just be more patient. Yeah. Maybe we're just, headed up today. I was gonna look for shorts, but it could be one of those only updates, you know what I'm saying? It's huge for about get right here. Nuts. Same thing. One in queue. Big boom. Big boom, big boom, big boom. Man, I kind of want to go long here, just based on this fucking uptrend. I know we took out these, but it's like market's been on a fucking tear down for so long. I think it's time to do a little push, right? Let's just see what happens. Maybe not. Close below this. You know how fucking sick it would be if we closed below here. If this 5 minute fair value gap wasn't here, that would have been my entry right here. Off this close right here because break structure to the downside already. And then close below that 1 minute inverse would have been nice. But if we get it'd be nice if we get a pushback up, I'll take shorts. You gotta see. It might not happen though. The only reason I did that was because of that 5 minute fair value gap. I just don't like it with this uptrend. Because, I mean, like, now everyone's like, oh, well, you gotta hold your trades until TP. I'd rather get a little bit of profit off of a trade that probably won't work out versus holding it and watching it completely reverse when, you know, this would have been my first TP regardless. So, I mean, it took it out, and like, see, I guarantee this fucking would come up and take out all those levels of liquidity. But hey, if we come down here, take out that low, oh, I am not gonna complain. See. See, the issue I have with trading is Alright, let's go over this trade. 30-minute. London highs got taken out. In pre-market. Came up, took it out. 1 minute, came down, broke structure with this candle. Closed below inverse fair value gap with this one. Came back, tapped in this fair value gap, pushed out, took out TP. Now the one thing about this trade was, again, this inverse fair value gap, and like this, I know this 5-minute uptrend is nice, but it's a possibility that it was just coming up to take out these levels to push it lower, right? I gotta be able to identify that. Regardless, it's a good trade. The only problem I'm having with this is my stop loss was 405, right? So this is basically a 1-to-1. Which, I mean, it's not bad. It's just, I think that, like, hypothetically, so that was my stop loss. That's right there. 2-to-1 is right here. So realistically, that should be my first TP. Man, it's just, I mean, I guess that's doable. It's just I need to have more faith in the trade. I don't know. It's just with that one, it was a little. I didn't like it as much just because of the. You know. So I think that's something I really want to start working on more. Is the risk to reward needs to be better. Because yeah, I made $450 today, but you know, say I win this trade, nice 450, but then I lose the next two and they're both 400. It's like, you know what I mean? The RR is not great right now, so we need to work on that. But regardless, good trading day. Be back tomorrow.